Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create cleaning schedules for iRobot Roomba i4. And to do this you'll need to download and pair your robot with iRobot app. I shown you previously on how to do it. Now let's scroll down and select the schedule. Here we can create a new one. You can pick the time or automation. We're gonna go with the time options. Select the starting timer. In this case 9 AM is alright with me. Then we can repeat this schedule for us all days of the week. You can select or remove the weeks from this schedule. So for example, I wanted to clean only on Friday and Saturday. Now when we have that ready, we can select the maps from the smart map if you have them created, and then simply click on the schedule to create a new one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.